My e-flite Commander 1.4, the mPd, left and right in the ailerons, left and right in the rudder, up and down on the elevator. I'm going to take off with half flaps because this is a long set of grass still. Well, it's getting a little flatter, but here we go. Let's see how we can do. See if we can get her rolling. New battery. Still feel like I've got a little bit of aileron issue. Let's see here. It's a new 4S 3300. I haven't flown this battery in any plane before, so.
Safe off.
Interesting to see how long we get on a first flight. Got a fair amount of wind this morning.
4 minutes. 3.7 volts, 61 miles per hour, 314 feet.
My buddy David Thorne up there with his conscendo. Flew my conscendo yesterday, though I have a conscendo evolution. Great flying plane. It was windy, and it was an awesome day to fly that. Probably at least 12 miles an hour at times, definitely 10 plus. Pretty windy right now too. Voltage 27%, so I'd say we're doing pretty well, but I will look to bring it down. Not this time, just kind of setting her up. Seeing how it reacts at 10 or 12 feet. And it popped up on me. Ooh, wind.
1 minute.
Okay, let's
Safe on.
see how she settles in here. Using safe just to keep the wings a little bit more level for me.
Low battery, 225 feet.
David, landing on the upper.
Seconds. 20 seconds. Flaps down. Landing mode on.
Ooh.